Hey guys, it's Shannon. We did end up doing some Black Friday shopping. We didn't shop at all Thanksgiving Day, and we didn't even get up early Black Friday to go and get those like really great big sales. But we did kind of sleep in a little bit and just went out Friday for the fun of it and to also kind of knock some of those gifts off of our list. Our main objective was to do a lot of our Christmas shopping and hopefully find some good deals while we were out. So not only did we buy quite a bit of our Christmas shopping list, gift list, we did buy a few things for ourselves that we were needing and were able to get really great deals on. So I'll show you some of the gifts first, and then I will share with you what we got for us at the end because there's some pretty cool things. So I don't want to share everything because I know some of my friends and family actually watch my channel, so I don't want to give away surprises and share their Christmas gifts and then ruin the surprise. So I will share some of it, but there's quite a bit of it that I'm not going to share as well, but I will share some that we got really good deals on. So the first place we went was actually Costco, and they didn't necessarily have a bunch of Black Friday sales, but they still have really great prices on items, and since we were out hunting for gift ideas, we went ahead and went there. We grabbed a box of Godiva chocolate. It's a pretty big box. It was only $15, and this is one of the teacher gifts. So I thought that was a good price point for something that is a little bit indulgent, so hopefully the teacher will like this. Next, we also got this in a loop. It's actually rechargeable batteries, so it's a whole case with a charging port on it, and then it's got all kinds of different sizes of batteries, so it's not just AA or D battery size. You can put everything in this case and it charges all at the same time. So I thought that was really cool, and this was about $30, so that's a pretty good bargain, especially if it's going to be saving money in the long run buying batteries over and over again. We also went to the mall. Yes, we braved the mall, and it actually wasn't too bad, but we also got there sort of late morning, early afternoon, so I think some of the rush had already been and gone. And so it wasn't terrible. We did have one line at JCPenney's that was incredibly long, but it was worth the wait because we actually found some great deals at Penny's. And the main one was on purses. So we have two Liz Claiborne purses for gifts, and these were normally $75 for this one. And this one was also normally $75, and their purses were 60% off. So these were very affordable and about the price that you pay for any kind of department store purse, but these are the nice Liz Claiborne brand, and I just really like these. They're really pretty, and again, gifts for the holidays. They also had really nice gift sets like this Paul Mitchell shampoo and conditioner set. It also has a extra body boost spray in it, and this was only $10. So while we were at the mall, of course, we also grabbed some Starbucks just to kind of get us through the day and give us that caffeine boost. And while I was there, I grabbed a couple gift cards. They're always nice to have on hand. They make good stocking stuffers or those last minute people that maybe you had overlooked. So just keeping a couple gift cards on hand is always a nice idea. Children's Place also had some of their jeans on sale for $5.99 a pair, so I picked up 3 pairs for my son, who is 5 and tall and skinny and just grows out of pants like crazy, so I grabbed 3 of those to have on hand for him. We also went to Rue 21. Their whole store was 40% off, so we grabbed some clothes, also some gifts while we were there. And we were sort of just in and out of stores, checking things out. Some stores were crazy. Pink had a line outside the door just to get in, and so did Bath & Body Works, so we didn't even go into those 2 stores. But other than that, that's pretty much what we got from the mall. And then just because it's Black Friday doesn't mean you necessarily have to go to the store to do your shopping. I was able to get online and hit Kohl's and order some things online, which again, I can't share with you what I ended up buying because I know that person's going to be watching this video. But I got a great deal at Kohl's with free shipping, So the other thing that we ended up purchasing that was pretty big for us was flooring, and it's a project that we're not going to be doing right now per se, but we did purchase it so that we have it on hand for later down the road whenever we do get a chance to work on it. But we found great flooring for only 49 cents a square foot, and I was able to order that online and just pick it up in store, so that was really nice. The other thing that I purchased that was big was a new laptop. As you saw on my Instagram, the mouse went out on my laptop, and honestly it's been on its last leg for about a year now. I've even taken it in to have it serviced, and I've just been dealing with some problems that it's been having, and Black Friday was just sort of the perfect timing for something major like the mouse to go out to happen so that I could get a good bargain on a laptop. So I found one at Office Max for $449. It was about $350 off, so it's huge savings, and it was exactly what I was looking for as far as the processor and the RAM and the memory. So I'm so grateful to find such a great deal on something that I really, really needed.
I also had my eye on a white Keurig for a very long time, and Best Buy happened to have them half off. So they're normally $140, which is way over my budget for a coffee maker. However, they had them for 50% off, and then I used Google Express to order it online and saved an additional 20% off. So with tax and free shipping, I got this Keurig for only $62 shipped, so a great bargain.
Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Like I said, I wish I could share more, but I don't want to ruin any of those surprises. And let me know down in the comments below, did you guys find any great, awesome bargains during your Black Friday shopping? I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit subscribe. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you all so much for watching again. Happy holidays. See you next time. Bye guys.